with a height of 460 meters. Vinhomes Landmark is the tallest building in Southeast Asia. The project was inaugurated in 2018 after 3 years of construction. This project includes a 5-star hotel, luxury apartments, commercial center and other facilities. The tower has 81 floors and 3 basements with a total floor area of 240,000 square meters. The foundation of the building is considered to have the largest foundation structure in the world. Vietnamese engineers have used Tekla structures to design works according to BIM model. In addition, engineers also use Tekla structures to calculate and design foreshortening, king post of the basement. The application of BIM to the project has allowed design professionals, engineers, and contractors to work together on a 3D model of construction to optimize design, manage resources, reduce errors, and increase efficiency in project management. Construction of the steel roof tower spire is one of the most important and complex items at the Vinhomes Landmark 81 project. Steel 61.2 meters high with a load capacity of 24 tons is installed on the top of the building with a height of 400 meters above the ground. Therefore, engineers are required to design details, provide data for fabrication and installation. In addition, the construction method of steel tower crane is very difficult and complicated. Engineers must consider and calculate parameters such as temperature and wind speed to ensure safe construction methods. The Landmark 81 project is a symbol of Vietnam, showing the capacity and technical level of Vietnamese engineers and architects.